I think it is. So for instance, let's say it's A minor, then I know that I can make chords from all of these notes here. It's very simple: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So one of these, or like I can stack them up. For instance, I can choose as my first note in the chord, I can choose D, then go up 3, so F, and then A. So I can do it like that and just copy over the same notes. Or you can use it with a plugin. I think in this case I used a plugin. It's also a MIDI-FX plugin, but it's from Xfer Records. It's called Cthulhu. And what you can do here is that you can get chords with just pressing one note on your MIDI keyboard, and you can get a lot of different chords. So it's very like useful, and you can get like some really cool chords by doing that. Yeah, so how do you get cool chords with this plugin? I'm gonna show you quick here. Alright, so if you just have the chords on here and take off the ARP, go to the chord presets and just pick like a preset here. I don't know, like a random preset. And now when I press my MIDI keyboard, I will, like just one note on the keyboard, I will get some chords. I think the chords are pretty like dark or low in key here, so I'm gonna transpose them 12, so 1 octave up. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to export these chords when you're like happy with some chords and you want to use them in your production. First of all, I'm gonna record just me playing one note on my keyboard. Like that. So as you can see here, I'm getting just like one notes here, but I still want the real chords here so I can export them, and I don't have to use this plugin all again on every single track here. So what I do to export the chords, that's very easy. I use another MIDI-FX plugin that is free. It's from AudioCR. It's called MIDI-FX Freeze. It looks like this. So the only thing you need to do here is just to press the freeze button here and play the track. Like that. As you can see here now, you will have a MIDI clip. So what we're gonna do here is just to move the MIDI clip from the plugin to the arrangement, and voila, you have the chords. Just make sure to have these like MIDI-FX off, and now when we play it, we have the real chords. It's that easy. So you can get like really creative with that chord plugin or the MIDI-FXs. I just like, when I discovered this, I was really amazed how much potential these MIDI-FXs can how much you can get from them, you know. But alright, we still have these chords now, and we're gonna go over to the next instrument. So it's the piano summer here. Let's play it. It's almost the same chords, but I've added up 1 octave lower too. So I took this one and just copied it over 1 octave down, and I took this one, and like all of the lower notes of the chord.